How to redeem codes on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can redeem codes on Temu, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, go ahead and then launch the Temu shopping application here. Once you launch the Temu app, maybe depending upon what kind of code it is, so just go to the checkout page first of all and just tap the checkout option here. If it is a gift card code, you just have to redeem them like you would do normally any other card. So just select the card option here, and when you go to the next page you can simply go ahead and enter your card details. If it is a coupon code or a voucher code, in that case you can scroll down and here you will find this option called apply coupon code. You can just tap on it and make sure to simply enter your coupon code in order to apply them. This way you'll be able to redeem codes on Temu. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.